Alright, let's take a look at number 14 where I made an error. And we're going to start out exactly the same way. We're going to start by flipping this fraction and then making it to the positive exponent. So you would get 25 a to the fourth b to the fifth over negative 5ab all to the positive third. And then we would share that 3, so that would be 25 to the third, a to the 12th, b to the 15th, over negative 5 in parentheses to the third, a to the third, b to the third. And now, when we went to clean it up, this is where my error is. So 25 to the third is going to stay. A to the 12th and a to the third, I can get rid of 3. So that would give me a to the 9th in the numerator. And then b to the third and b to the 15th would give me b to the 12th in the numerator. So down here I'm just left with negative 5 to the third. So the only part that we have to clean up is the 125 to the third. And 25 to the third is 15,625. A to the 9th, b to the 12th, and that's over negative 5 to the third. So negative 5 to the third is negative 125. A to the 9th, b to the 12th. And so the reason why when we simplify this part and it stays in the numerator is because you could have 15,625 represented as negative 125 times negative 125. And that would be a to the 9th, b to the 12th, divided by negative 125. That allows us to cancel. And so our final answer here should be negative 125, a to the 9th, b to the 12th. Sorry for the error, and that is the correct answer.